Today we're checking out AgenticFlow, a no-code AI platform that helps you build agents that handle sales, marketing, and creative tasks around the clock. What if your customer support, sales outreach, and even video editing kept working for you even while you sleep? AgenticFlow's AI assistants handle repetitive tasks so you can save time, reduce costs, and focus on growing your business. No coding needed. Get started by choosing the AI assistant you need. You can offer 24/7 support with the customer support AI. Keep up with industry trends and gather competitive insights using the market research AI. Create months' worth of content minutes with the video editing and design AI. You can even get personalized recommendations on how to improve your customer experience thanks to the CX AI. Plus, it's super easy to train and retrain your AI agents. Need to create ads, social media posts, or website content? Instead of juggling multiple apps, AgenticFlow includes built-in tools for writing, design, text-to-speech, and video editing all in one organized workspace. You can also automate marketing tasks. Use pre-built marketing templates for email campaigns, social media posts, and lead management. Take advantage of simple drag-and-drop automation and see what's working with real-time performance tracking. Working with a big team? Upgrade to Tier 4 and you'll unlock 200,000 credits per month for generating content, automating tasks, and more. You can also invite 25 team members and store 2 GB of info in your own AI knowledge base. Plus, you can always bring your own keys, so you only pay for what you actually use. AgenticFlow also provides unified billing to keep usage costs fair and transparent. Whether you're improving customer support, boosting marketing, or scaling content creation, AgenticFlow makes AI automation easy. Click buy now to get lifetime access today.